The Ligier Be Up is an unusual lightweight vehicle created by the French manufacturer Ligier. The company was founded in 1968 by former racing driver Guy Ligier, who later became known for producing small vehicles designed mainly for urban transportation. Over time, Ligier specialized in compact quadricycles that could be driven with simplified licenses in many European countries. The Ligier Be Up appeared as an experimental and highly unconventional model in the early 2000s. It was designed primarily for short city trips and leisure driving rather than long-distance travel. The vehicle has a very compact layout, 2 seats, 2 cylinders, and a small engine producing about 20 horsepower. Its 505 cubic centimeters engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission. Instead of a traditional gear system, the driver selects one of 3 positions on the variator: forward, reverse, or neutral. The pedals are also simplified: accelerator on the right and brake on the left. Despite its minimalistic design, the Be Up includes several elements found in conventional cars. The dashboard contains basic instruments, lighting is modern, and buyers could order extras such as a radio, seat adjustments, and even a heater. The vehicle's body panels are made from colored polycarbonate, which does not rust. The roof and windshield can be removed in warm weather, making the car feel more like an open, recreational vehicle. Because the car has no traditional doors, it uses simple tube-style sidebars similar to those seen on amusement rides. Behind the seats, there is a small luggage compartment with about 140 liters of capacity. Safety was addressed through a rigid space frame structure and inertia seat belts. Disc brakes are installed on all 4 wheels, providing reliable stopping power for such a lightweight vehicle. The Be Up can reach about 53 miles per hour, around 85 kilometers per hour, which is enough for urban traffic but not for highways. Legally, the vehicle occupies a special category in European regulations. It is classified as a quadricycle rather than a full automobile, meaning it can often be driven with a motorcycle license. In many European countries, drivers as young as 17 can legally operate it. Although the Be Up attracted attention because of its unusual design and open structure, its relatively high price limited widespread adoption. Nevertheless, it remains one of the most distinctive microcars produced by Ligier and represents an interesting experiment in minimalist urban mobility.